guys, I'm Jody Fitz. Welcome back to the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club. This month, I am serving up a watermelon fruit granita. These are one of my favorite recipes to serve in the summer when it's hot outside. It is a great alternative to a snow cone and it is fruit packed. Here is how you can make it at home. First, I added diced watermelon into the blender. Remember, depending on your age, you can cut the watermelon with a plastic knife. Then I added cherries that I had pitted. If you can't help with the pitting process, you can always help with the measuring process. I squeezed the juice from one navel orange, which is a fun process. Try squeezing it into a spouted measuring cup before adding it to the blender. Then you can measure and add a little bit of honey and some vanilla extract. Now it's time to blend all of the ingredients until they are blended well. Carefully pour the blended mixture into an 8x8 glass baking dish. Then pop it in the freezer overnight. Once you're ready to serve, take a serving size fork and scrape the frozen mixture in different directions to create your fruity granita, which is like a shaved ice dessert. All right guys, it's that easy. It's super delicious and fresh. Stay tuned at the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club, where we have more great recipes coming your way soon.